Stuck during iPhone restore or recovery mode? Don't panic. Here are 7 simple ways to fix the issue and get your iPhone working again. Part 1. Why is iPhone stuck in restore screen? iPhone software glitches, iTunes issues, failed iOS restore update, jailbreak problems, unknown hardware issues. Part 2. Fix iPhone stuck on restore screen in 6 methods. Method 1. Try an original USB cable. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. Method 3. Update iTunes. Method 4. Get iPhone into DFU mode. Method 5. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Method 6. Contact Apple Store. Part 3. Ultimate way to fix iPhone restore stuck with zero data loss. Confronted with iPhone stuck on restore completed, you probably want to settle the matter quickly while preserving the data on your iPhone. Well, iOS system recovery enables you to get 2 results from one effort. Step 1. Select iOS system recovery. Download and install this iPhone repair software on your computer. Launch it and choose More Tools, iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Link the iPhone to a computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable and click Start to start the iPhone system repair. Step 3. Repair iPhone. Check your iPhone info and click Repair. Correct it if needed. Step 4. Restart iPhone. Restart your iPhone after repair to fix the restore screen issue.